Porsche engineers are among the best in the world at designing a tractable, everyday supercar. Take this 2011 Porsche Turbo S, for example. The thoughtful engineers provide more than enough horsepower, 530 to be exact, to scare the living daylights out of you. But they also offer you the opportunity to stop with confidence-inspiring carbon ceramic brakes, like those fitted behind the RS Spider Light alloy wheels with centre-locking hubs. This basalt black all-wheel drive Turbo S has been driven just 16,000 miles since new. It is smartly equipped with a PDK transmission and electronic sport mode, sport chrono package, and high-speed cornering lamps. We have not forgotten driving comfort and luxury. Leather abounds on the centre console, adaptive sport seats that will hold you in place, and a 3-spoke sport steering wheel points the way. A premium sound system with satellite radio provides additional entertainment, all of which work in harmony to deliver one of the most exhilarating performance cars available in today's market. Picture yourself on the open road where you can be at twice the speed limit in the blink of an eye. It can shrink the size of states. Well, at least it appears to. Cheers. For more details on this vehicle or similar, please visit huntingridgemotors.com.